Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds TCL with your PC. You have to start by press one time the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, press this line or click Enter. Then, at the right top, you'll find the button Add Device, and if you have Windows 10, you'll find this button at the top. Click on it, and in this window, you need to select Bluetooth. Also, make sure that your Bluetooth turn on, and now we can pair them with the phone. So, you have a few different options. The first one, if it's your first connection, you need to only open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. And your earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. If your earbuds already connected with some device, you have two options. You can or disconnect, so go to the settings, and by the way we enter to pairing mode, we know it by the LED light was blinking white and blue, and we also see these headphones at the device list. You can go to the settings and Bluetooth and disconnect your earbuds, or you can press and hold at the touch control at your right earbud. Right here we have touch control, where we have TCL naming, and you need to press and hold for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will hear the prompt and this LED light start blinking blue and white like what I have right now. Then press at your headphones at the device list and then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!